opening hook. Are you tired of constantly replacing tires on your PTR roller machine? What if we told you there's a solution that saves you time and money without compromising the machine's performance? Enter the world of solid tire for PTR roller machine, a game changer in the construction industry. Problem: we've all been there. Standard tires on your PTR roller machine wear out too quickly, causing frequent disruptions in your operations. Not only does it decrease productivity, it also increases maintenance costs and downtime. More so, these conventional tires are susceptible to punctures and damage, making them unreliable and raising safety issues on site. Frustrating, isn't it? Solution: but what if there's a way to end all this tire nightmare? What you need is a solid tire for your PTR roller machine. Unlike standard tires, solid tires do not contain air and hence cannot be punctured or go flat. They are built to endure the harshest conditions you can throw at them, extending your machine's lifespan and ensuring smoother operations. These solid tires are a testament to innovation and engineering excellence. Designed with specialized rubber compounds, they offer exceptional stability, preventing any sudden shocks or bumps during operation. Plus, the tire's unique tread pattern enhances its